Hi friends, let me show you this set of two battery-operated wall sconces, wall lights, that I got for reviewing purposes. These are easy to assemble. You can fix them to the wall with screws or with a magnet that you get, okay? And you get two remotes, so you can change the RGB colors of the lights. You get this charging cable, it's a USB-C cable to charge it. You get all the accessories you need, the screws and the magnets, if you are going to install it with no screws, okay? Let me show you. Okay, these are the actual lights. Perfect. We're going to charge them. As you can see, they are nice, beautiful beige color, okay? Yes. We are going to install them. They have this helper on the back. And the second one ready, okay? So you can install them with these hooks, adhesive hooks, or of course directly to the wall, okay? Let's try them. We are going to put the magnets in the lights and the lamps, okay? Perfect. And the other magnets in the actual lamps. And we are going to use these ones to hang them, okay? Do it. Perfect. So now we are ready to test them, okay? We're going to use the remote, okay? As you can see, it changes intensity, changes the color. Okay, you just put them inside. And that's it. You get a nice soft light. Okay, let's put more intensity. Okay, just make them red, green, and a changing pattern, okay? Different modes. You see? It changes it smoothly. So any way you want to use them or any mode you want to program, these are great lamps for your office, for your room, for your bathroom, anywhere that you want to give a light touch. These are great options. Thank you.